This looked like the perfect bullish continuation, and most traders would confidently buy here. But price suddenly started showing weakness right before reaching this supply zone. I exited my buy trade immediately after seeing this reaction because continuation was no longer strong. And after this confirmation from supply, price completely collapsed into sell-side liquidity. In this video, I will show you how continuation failure, confirmation, and market structure revealed the perfect reversal setup. So watch carefully, because the real confirmation was hidden much earlier than most traders realize. Firstly, I marked both the supply and demand zones because price was trading inside this entire range. At this moment, demand was acting as the discount area, while supply was acting as the premium area. After reaching demand, price started creating inducement and slowly formed bullish confirmation. Now, most traders would directly enter from demand, but I wanted confirmation before taking any trade. After confirmation, I entered the bullish trade and started targeting the nearest internal resistance. But this target later became extremely important because price reacted from this exact area and started showing weakness. After entering the bullish trade, price started moving upward exactly as expected. But when price reached this internal target area, bullish continuation suddenly started weakening. You can see that price reacted multiple times from this level, and buyers were struggling to continue the expansion. This was the first warning sign that momentum was slowing down. That is why I did not force the trade anymore. Instead of hoping for continuation, I exited the trade and waited patiently for the next confirmation. Because whenever price fails to continue strongly near internal resistance, there is always a possibility of directional shift. After some consolidation, price finally broke the internal target area and continued moving upward. This breakout confirmed that buyers were still pushing price toward the premium supply zone. But even after the breakout, I was not interested in chasing buys near premium pricing. Because price was now approaching the exact supply area where strong reactions could appear. So instead of entering late, I started waiting for bearish confirmation inside supply. And this is where the entire market narrative started changing. Price slowly began losing bullish strength, and the reaction from supply started becoming more obvious. After entering the supply zone, price started showing clear bearish confirmation. You can see that bullish momentum was no longer aggressive, and price slowly began forming weaker continuations. Instead of creating strong bullish expansion, price started respecting lower highs inside supply. This was the major confirmation I was waiting for. Because once bullish continuation weakens near premium supply, the probability of bearish delivery increases significantly. After seeing this confirmation, I entered the sell trade from supply. My main target was the opposing demand zone and the resting sell-side liquidity below. And after the entry, price delivered one of the cleanest bearish moves on the chart. After the sell entry, price immediately started showing strong bearish displacement. You can see how aggressively the market moved downward once supply fully confirmed the rejection. This is why continuation failure was extremely important earlier in the setup, because the market was already warning us that bullish strength was weakening before the actual collapse happened. Most traders only notice the bearish move after the crash begins, but the real confirmation was already visible during the failed continuation phase. Price then continued delivering toward the demand zone and resting sell-side liquidity exactly as expected. And this entire setup was created by confirmation, patience, and understanding how price reacts inside premium and discount areas. This is why waiting for confirmation is always more powerful than forcing entries emotionally. Before ending the video, look once again at how the entire setup developed, step by step. Price respected demand, created bullish confirmation and moved toward the internal target exactly as expected. But the moment continuation started weakening near resistance, the market already started revealing hidden weakness. Later, price pushed into premium supply, confirmed bearish pressure, and completely shifted delivery direction. And after the confirmation from supply, the bearish move toward demand and sell-side liquidity happened very aggressively. This is why reacting emotionally to candles is dangerous. The real edge comes from understanding confirmation, continuation strength, and liquidity behavior inside the market. If you want to understand how smart money really moves the market, then follow Discount Trader for advanced price action, liquidity concepts, and high-probability trading breakdowns. Here, we do not blindly trade indicators or random zones. We study confirmation, market structure, liquidity behavior, and real execution logic step by step. So, if you genuinely want to improve your trading mindset and analysis quality, make sure to follow Discount Trader and join the journey towards smarter trading.